It depends. The first place you look is to the contract of sale. The contract of sale will say what happens if there is a dispute over a particular defect. For example, if it's the HVAC, is that included as something which they're entitled to inspect, and what repair is it supposed to be according to the contract? Number two, you should always price out what it'll cost to repair these items. Not every repair person is the same. And number three is the practical consideration. For example, if you don't get rid of the squeak in the floorboard in the front hall, will that clear the deal? And it depends upon what the buyer's rights are to walk away if you don't make the repair. Again, this is not a decision to be made by agents. This is a decision to be made by an attorney who knows what he's doing in real estate law.